In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay yourself salary QuickBooks 2026, step by step. If you're an owner who takes a regular paycheck through QuickBooks, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set yourself up and run payroll confidently. Before you move through the screens, make sure QuickBooks Payroll is turned on for your company and that you have your employer identification number, a business bank account for payroll, and any state payroll details handy. If you're unsure how you should be paid based on your business structure, it's a good idea to confirm with your accountant, but the workflow here stays the same. Start by signing into your QuickBooks account and heading to Payroll, then Employees. Here, you'll add yourself as an employee, so QuickBooks can properly calculate taxes and create the right accounting entries. Select Add an Employee, enter your personal details carefully, and choose Salary as the pay type. Salary is typically the smoothest option for owners because it pays a fixed amount each pay period and keeps compliance straightforward. Continue through the tax setup prompts. This is where QuickBooks gathers your federal and state withholding information, sets your filing preferences, and links your payroll bank account if you haven't already. Take a moment to review your pay schedule and direct deposit details so the timing and delivery method match your expectations. With your profile ready, it's time to run payroll. Click Run Payroll, find your name, and confirm your salary amount for the current pay period. Double check the pay period dates and the pay date so the deposit lands when you expect it. Review the taxes withheld, including Social Security, Medicare, and any federal or state income taxes. If you use pre-tax deductions like retirement contributions, confirm those are correct too. When everything looks right, click Submit Payroll. If you're using direct deposit, keep in mind there's a processing window before funds reach your bank. Otherwise, you can print a check. Behind the scenes, QuickBooks automatically posts the accounting for your payroll, including wage expense, payroll tax expense, and payroll liabilities. That means you don't need to create manual journal entries, and your profit and loss and balance sheet will reflect the paycheck accurately. Next, pay your payroll taxes. Go to Taxes, then Payroll Tax to see what's due. Review each liability and payment date, and when you're ready, click Pay. If you've enabled autopay and e-file e-pay, QuickBooks will file